Let me show you easy way to create this 3D effect in Photoshop. For the first step, we need to add our image, and after that we have to make a selection of our subject. So from the toolbar, I'm going to take my quick selection tool and selecting this part just like this, and after that from the layers panel, make sure that the background layer is activated. Press and hold Ctrl Command J. So we copied our selected area to a new layer. Now press T to active type tool. Do a single click and write your text. I'm going to write lipstick, and it's okay. I'm going to bring it right here. I like to make it smaller. I'm going to press Ctrl Command T and make it smaller a bit, just like this. I have to change its color from the properties. I'm gonna choose a completely white one. I'm gonna move it right here. From the layers panel, make sure that the text layer is activated. Press and hold Ctrl Command T, right click and choose warp. Then go to the option bar, warp, choose this one and choose cylinder, active this point. Do a single click, press and hold shift and adjust the size and position with the other points just like this. Okay, it's fine. Press OK. Back to the layers panel. Make sure that the text layer is still activated. Press and hold Ctrl Command J to make a duplicate. Then drag and drop it right here. Then active the copied text layer. Press and hold Ctrl Command T. Right click. Choose warp. Select this point. Press shift and bring it bottom a little bit just like this, and after that press OK. Now I like to add a little bit dips to this text layer, so I'm going to change its color. So make sure that the text layer, copy text layer is activated. From the properties, I'm gonna change its color to like a 60% brightness, this color code, pressing OK. Now get back to the topmost layer, double click on the empty space of this layer to open layer style, and gonna active drop shadow. As you can see, the shadow here is a bit strong. I don't want it's too much, so I'm gonna decrease its opacity to around 30%. I think it's okay. Press OK. Now if you like to move it just like I did at the first of the video, you can go to the layers panel, press and hold Ctrl Command, active this one and do a single click on the other text layer, and after that link both of the layers. So as you see, I can easily move them just like this. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.